Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic pages in Wix Studio. Getting started with Wix's dynamic pages is a fantastic way to streamline content creation on your website. These pages are designed to display information from a specific collection, allowing you to efficiently manage and present data-driven content without having to manually update each page individually. Before we jump into the steps, it's important to understand why dynamic pages matter. If you're building blogs, product catalogs, real estate listings, portfolios, or any site with repeating content, dynamic pages save you hours of work. Instead of creating separate pages for every item, you create one page layout that updates automatically based on your database content. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Wix.com. This is your jumping off point, where you'll manage everything related to your website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your site is already connected to Wix Studio, since dynamic pages work best inside the Enhanced Studio editor. Next, in your Wix dashboard, locate the option labeled Pages and Menu. This is your gateway to everything page-related in your site editor. Clicking here will bring up the Page Management section, where you can add, delete, and organize your website pages. A quick tip. This section is also where you can reorder your site pages, rename them, or hide them from the menu. Keeping your pages organized makes your workflow smoother, especially when working with structured content. Once you're in the Pages and Menu section, you'll want to click on the Add Page button. This will start the process of creating a new page for your site. After clicking to add a page, you are given after clicking to add a page you wish to create. In this case, we're focusing on creating a dynamic page. Blank pages provide a clean slate to work with, ideal for configuring your dynamic setup without any pre-existing design elements getting in the way. At this stage, you'll eventually connect this blank page to a dataset, which is essentially the bridge between your page and your content collection. This connection is what makes your page dynamic, allowing every item in your database to automatically generate its own version of the page. As you continue designing, you can use repeaters, text fields, images, and buttons, all linked directly to your dataset. This ensures every item in your collection displays the correct information, fully automated. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how to create dynamic pages in Wix Studio and why they're such a powerful tool for building smarter, more efficient websites. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. If you have any questions or want me to cover another Wix feature, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.